There's something wonderful about obsession. Being so obsessed with something that you fear missing the mark. I'm Trent Ross, wildlife photographer / videographer, and I'm obsessed with filming wildlife. At the least, I'm going to put some of it on film so you guys can see it. My brother is more daring than I am. We're parked here looking at these ducks and geese, and he decided he's gonna go walk and talk to the people at this home next to the field because he wants to hunt it. I just want to film. Growing up a hunter, I learned really early on what buck fever was. The shakes, the adrenaline rush. And then I learned that you can still experience that with a camera. I couldn't believe it. My passion had turned job, and my job built into a career. I worked for Baku e-bikes for a few years, contracted with Hunt and Fool, and now I'm doing it for me. And to share it with the world. Oh yeah, I forgot. My brother got permission. So I went back and snapped some pictures. So if you want to follow along and see what it's like to grow and mature as a wildlife photographer / videographer, then this is the channel for you. And I want to share it with you.